Good morning, children. Welcome back to your Step Up Math class. Today we are going to learn about types of lines, and our assignment for today will be from exercise 5.2, page 94, question 1 and 2, and from page 95, question number 3. There are different types of lines depending upon their positions and shapes. Now let us study the lines. The first line is called the horizontal line. The horizontal line, for example, are your three-line notebook, straight lines. Second is called the vertical lines. And the third is called the slant lines. These three lines are called together straight lines. From these lines, we can make different shapes, for example, square, rectangle, and triangle. Next is called the curved lines. We can make shapes like circle and oval. Now let us look at the letters of S, P, and D. What lines do they use? The letter S uses the curved line. Letter P and D use straight line and curved line. Now let's look at some examples. The plate on the table and the mug on the table uses curved lines. The leaf are curved lines and straight lines. The purple line is called the curved and the red straight line is called the straight line. We can also make irregular shapes by using straight line and curved line. There are few examples of straight lines: triangle, square, rectangle, cube, and cuboid are all made up of straight lines. Examples of curved lines are circle, oval, and sphere. There are some shapes which uses straight lines and curved lines. They are cylinder and cone. Can you identify the shapes with straight lines? The green arrow and the red cross. Can you identify the shapes with curved lines? They are the blue smiley face and the irregular shape. Now identify shapes that uses both straight and curved lines. The second line, two shapes use both straight and curved lines. Your assignment today will be from page 94 and 95. Exercise 5.2. Write today's date, 21st ST, underline this, 21st October, and here is another line for your name. Now in exercise 5.2, what you need to do is, let's read the first question, tick. This is a tick mark. The 3D shapes with only straight lines. Straight lines, shapes siam zong khan, box hian in tikkang. Then cross, this is the cross. Cross the 3D shapes with curved lines. Chuan curved lines kan siam the example kha kan soi to kha mi khan curved line shapes siam khan cross hi in box hian in da thungang. And make a star. Chuan box khan star in ziakang for the 3D shapes with straight lines as well as curved lines. Zia chu shapes pani mang straight lines le curved lines shapes siam thaya khan star in ziakang. Kan chu tiam tiru straight lines chau shape lines shapes siam thayda khan tick in draw anga. Chuan curved lines manga shape khan X in the anga. Ato pera apathumna chuan straight lines le curved lines manga shape siam thea khan star in jak thumang star zia dan ka kan thiam em o ti hian in siamang up down slant straight down straight lines manga vekin star ka siam oh ani lo pon ti hian triangle in drawing opposite in ti hian star a siam le the. All right, so this is how you will identify the shapes. Now let's look at number 2. Trace and color the picture. Count the number of straight lines and curved lines. So what do you need to do? You are going to join these dots. More curved lines engzange oma, straight lines engzange oma ka. Ngun tawa in zia ngai ni ka lines dots in join huna khan. Straight lines engzange ta hen in zia ka nga, curved lines engzange a ta hen in zia kang chumi zo in colorang. Alright, it is a rocket. Now let's turn to page 95. Number 3, observe the objects given below. Heng ho hi. Write R for roll, S for slide, and RS for roll and slide both. R zia chu tia lir thei. Mo lir theya khan heng object te hi hi ser thlum ani ta ser thlum hi dokane mo chhuata khan tihan han thala ali rangem alir theya khan R mo letter R in zia kanga chuan S for slide zia chu tol thil mum chau kha alir theya chu roll anita a mai ro chu thil mum velo entir nan hemi hi ruler te pencil box te tiffin box te kha lekhabu te ponyang chu books te ponyang chu ti hian han en ma ula alir nge a slide alirem atol tiru atol kha S in zia kang, that is slide ti na ni chu chuan atopera RS chu roll and slide for roll and slide both mo chu enge niang roll and slide chu a shape a khan eng shape nge niang roll chuan in curved lines chau aneya slide object chuan mo square box ang hi aneta a ti chuanin a roll book a slide thei tur chu eng object ke niang poisa thir te kha roll and slide pangin akal theya chuan dice te po roll and slide te kal thei. So you will write here R for roll and S for slide, and RS means roll and slide. Gundo in enula do nak entir na tia kan ti ang khan ti khan han en maula object ka han the chinula hetilai answer hi in ron zia kang. All right, you will submit this assignment today before 8 p.m. Thank you, children.